Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 170 plus digital business card. These files for Photoshop and PowerPoint and a password in this application. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page. Follow me, and last is my Telegram channel. Subscribe me for notification of any latest video. Okay. Here is a PowerPoint template is 45 and here is 127. You can change anything in Photoshop, like this one. Open, and you see here in layer area everything you can change it or remove. Okay, extract. Now we need any photo like this one. Oh, we need high resolution, but don't worry, I will do just for example. Control Shift E, so you can move anything. Okay, background. And last is background. Okay, simply these are editable. I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe me and take care. Allah Hafiz.